So well guys, my name is Hasan Malik. I already introduced you in my introductory video and I already told that which course I'm going to teach for the student of BSc and MSc level as well. My topic is thermodynamics, electricity and magnetism, and our first lecture is integral and differential form of Ampere's law. So here I'm going to prove integral and differential form of Ampere's law. So well see. First of all, I'm going to write the equation integral of B dot dr, that is equals to mu naught I. So guys, this little circle at the center of the sign of integral in physics, especially if we are going to find the equation of any of the circular object, then we have to use this circle at the center of sign of integral. So well, here we use a small arrowhead over that equation that show the directions. So here we write the equation of current density, the value of current density, that is equals to I equals to integral of j dot dA. So guys, let's say this is equation A. We give the name to this equation A. We substitute the value of this I in place of this I. So equation A implies that integral of B dot dr, that is equals to mu naught. So in place of I guys, we will substitute this value, that is integral of j dot dA, and this is the actual whole equation show the integral form of Ampere's law. Is it clear? So here we are going to find the differential form of equation, differential form of Ampere's law. So let's say we say this is equation 1. We're using this equation using 1, that is integral B dot dr, that is equals to mu naught integral of j dot dA. So guys, you know that about Stokes theorems, this j will equals to, according to Stokes theorem, this j that is equals to del into B. So we are going to substitute the value of j in this equation number 1. Our equation becomes like this: B dot dr, that is equals to mu naught integral of this, in place of this j we will put this value here, that is del into B dot dA. So we write this equation in this form as well, it doesn't matter. Integral of B dot dr, that is equation number. So well, first of all you give this name, that is equation number 2. We are going to compare these two equations by comparing equation 1 and 2. Guys, we know that the right and the left hand side of these two equations are same. So we just only compare the right hand side of both the equations. The right hand side of equation number 2, that is mu naught del into B dot dA, that dA, and that is, and the right hand side of the equation number 1, that is mu naught j dot dA. So guys, this is the constant value. We're going to write this out from the sign of integral. So here mu naught j integral of dA, and that is mu naught del into B. So we are going to bring this value from this side. This is in positive form, so here it will change into negative. That is integral of del into B minus mu naught j into dA, that is equals to 0. So we know that this dA, that is equals to 1. So if we replace this one, this whole one is multiplied with this term, that will come like same as it is. So here I write the combination that is same like as it is. This dA, in place of this dA we place here, put 1 dA, that is equals to 1. So the remaining term is like this. We bring this value from the right hand side. So this equation is known as differential form of Ampere's law. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.